My name is Ansh Mishra and I'm currently pursuing Tech in Mechanical Engineering branch from SISTec. It was a great journey indeed, and I have learned so much in the span of 4 years. Currently, I am having 4 offers from different companies. One of the major companies is ACG Consulting, one of the most known MNC in worldwide. I especially like to thank my training and placement department for constantly supporting me throughout my journey, and also special thanks to my mechanical engineering department for taking care of me at every stage. I also have been won the BNS Incubation Challenge and secured top 5 rank in all over India, which gives me an incubation at BNS Bhopal. So currently I'm running as a startup named Titan Tech, having different things work for the betterment of future and for life. So our startup basically work for the beneficial and cutting cost of technology. I also see some changes in me as working vice president for the college. It gives me immense pleasure for working at the role, and I have changed a lot from the first year to the 4th year. I also observed some more changes in me, and I think I have become a better person throughout the years. Thank you, SISTec.